Hi guys, today we're going to see how to activate Microsoft Office 2021 and 365. Let's get started. Go to the Start menu. Type Command. Now you can see Command Prompt. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Since we need to enter codes, I already have them saved in a notepad, so I'll just open it. First, type cd / and press Enter. Now, let's copy the path location where Microsoft is installed. Depending on whether you installed the 64-bit or 32-bit version, proceed accordingly. If you installed the 64-bit version, find the Microsoft Office installed file in this folder. For the 32-bit version, open this folder here. Search for an open Microsoft Office. Open Office 16. Copy this file's path location. Now, type cd and paste the file's path location here. Press Enter. Next, we need to copy this code and paste it here. Press Enter. Repeat the process for the next code. You'll see the SKUID here. Copy it and paste it. Give space and paste it here. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Microsoft Office. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.